I saw this thing on Twitter. It was this photographer that I follow, and she did like a thing where she took like her old photos that she did and like recreated them. So I was like, I want to do that with my makeup that I've done. So I'm gonna go back onto my Instagram and I'm gonna find an old look and recreate it. This is my Instagram, everybody. I think my my looks have definitely improved since I've started. I started like end of senior year, so about like 3 or so years ago. All right, I'm gonna pause this and like prep my face and shit. Okay.
All right, quick little disclaimer before you get into the makeup look. I suck at this, and it's really difficult to do it by myself. So I'm sorry you don't see most of my face in the tutorial. You'll see what I mean. But just bear with me, okay? Because I'm trying here.
You know what? I'm just gonna go right the hell into You're Kidding. Wait, hold on. I didn't prime my eyes first. Definitely going to with this red shade because this shit about to stain my eyes. Like, nobody's business. Alright, my eye is primed. Now let's go in. Oh yeah, this brush is the Sigma E55. Yeah. And then I'm going to take this this is a Sigma brush. It's the E38. And it's a fluffy brush like that. It's really like, and I was going to take that and just go all in the edges. Better be in focus, honestly. If it's not, I'm gonna be so mad because I'm blind as shit. I can't see. Okay, I'm just gonna go and blend in one more time with just the red, and then we're gonna add a little bit. I think I'm gonna try like a darker shade of red, or I can just go like straight into the black, but I don't even know like what to do yet. But like, oh my god, I'm just like loving this. Like, alright, so we're gonna take this angle brush. This is Sigma E70. And then I'm gonna go into No Beans and the James Charles palette. And I'm gonna just like dab that like right here. The fucking back hurts. Dabbing that and like swirling it a little bit. And a little bit above that too. And this is like, I'm gonna do this to like prep for the black, you know. We're gonna go back in with this brush that we blended out the red with and just blend that out too. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the inner corner. So kind of blending it like as I apply it. Alright, now I think it's time to just jump right into the black. Alright, so we're going to take another Sigma E30, this is going to be like a little pencil brush, and we're going to go into Spooky in the James Charles palette. That's the black one. Let's hope this turns out well. I'm then gonna go in with this brush. This is literally an old Wet n Wild brush. Like, look at how disgusting. I got this for like $2 at the dollar store. We're gonna take this and blend that. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna use the other brush. Yeah, that did nothing. Okay. Yeah. Fuck this brush. Go back in with the Sigma. Looking good, honey. I need to add more black into my inner corner. This is looking a lot better than the picture, haha. Alright, my camera decided to freaking stop the video, so good thing I didn't start yet. But I took Color Persona from the Morphe 35M palette, and then I'm going to go into that with a wet brush, see how it works. If it's crap, I'm going to go do it with my fingers. So I'm going to take the brush. Look at my finger! I'm going to take the brush and just like blend it with the black, you know. Back into the brush that we used the black with, just because now that we have this red on there, I want to like even it out, you know. Add like a tiny bit more black here. Fluffy brush and
Yes! Yes!
now I want it to be a little bit more poppin', you know. I want to take this little brush and I'm gonna go into Ring Light in the James Charles palette, and then I just want to put like a little bit like right in the center, you know. And then put that on the brow bone as well. Ooh, this looks so funny. Yo. Okay. Alright, yo, I'm gonna do the other eye, and then I'll be back with the face. Yeah, I wanna hold her.
Hold on, I want it. You know what they had on Family Feud?
Mm-hmm.
If you could change one thing on your husband's body, what would it be? And this woman actually said penis.
Oh my god.
Like, okay, I guess we're going home and getting a divorce, because, like, not satisfied, I guess.
Okay, so we're gonna do the under eye now. I'm gonna go in with the same red brush that we used. And I'm also gonna go back in with that black one and go that as well, just in the corner here. Gonna go back into that brush we used with the shimmer shadow and just put that like. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into the Morphe palette. Then we're gonna use, I think it's called Sister. I don't really know. It's this like shimmery shade one. I'll put a picture of it. It's this. And I'm gonna put it right in the corner. I was gonna put that to my nose too while we're at it, you know. Here she is. I'm just gonna take a pencil liner because we're not gonna do anything big, bold, and brash today. Oh, my fucking back. That was rough. rough. This one's not gonna be as good. The eyeliner, not that happy about it, but it's not that bad. I just really don't feel like fixing it. Now we're gonna curl my lashes if I can find my eyelash curler. Alright, so I have a really good trick. If you have really like clumpy mascara, what I usually do is that I'll curl my lashes, right, and then I'll apply the said mascara, and then before it dries, you know, I'll take one of these disposable eyelash or mascara wands, right, and then I'll just go through it and spread the mascara out, and it helps make it not so clumpy. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and also my eyebrows and then the lipstick. I'm gonna go into the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette for contouring. Too bad I'm not going anywhere after this. Like, I'm going to fucking bed after this. So, rest in peace to my skin. We know her well. Alright, so now for blush, there's not any good like pinky shades, so we're gonna go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't know the names of these, but we're gonna go. I really want to go into this shade right here, just like very like just a little bit. Oh. Okay, going for a very peachy moment. I actually like this a lot. I think I'm done with the face for now. Yeah, I'm gonna add some freckles, so I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. But I'm also gonna do this with my eyebrows, so. Okay, dokie. So I'm done with brows. Now it's time for the lips. I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star's No Tea, No Shade. I'm gonna go with that because I feel like it. And yeah, let's see how this goes. This is cute. Okay, I'm gonna go and also red lips, red. Let's see how that would look. Alright, y'all. I'm fucking finished. This was really good to film because I felt more comfortable and in my comfort zone. But yeah, this is the finished look. I don't really know how else to like do these videos. I'm just doing them how I want to. So yeah, if you'd like this, subscribe and catch you in the next video.